we will be discussing about the Google AdWords. Here two ways we can open our site. One is adwords.google.com. Second is the google.com/adwords. AdWords. Google.com/adwords. When you open that, what is that? adwords.google.com is home. Now click sign in with the where to sign in with the Gmail. This is only for Gmail, not for Yahoo, not for Outlook. So now we join in with the scene. This is my home page. This is my home page. First of all, before give the ad, that is called we're doing for keyword competition. How we doing for keyword competition? Will be going for tools. Okay. First leave it. First I'm going to the AdWords discussion. First, how to add the amount on your AdWords account. That is called your setting option is there. What is that? Billing and payment method. Billing and payment method will be called two methods. One is called in Indian will be accept for the credit and debit, and next one is the net banking. But US dollar will be called credit card. US will be accepted only for credit card. Here Indian policy will be called credit, debit and net banking. Why? Because a lot of them are using for not for credit card, they are using for debit and net bankings like that. This is make a payment from this one. We can manually do the payment up to 1,000 based on the ads. For searching for ads, make a payment here. Make a payment. Here the payment method here. What is called? Verify this. See this. Net banking, add credit debit card, add credit debit card. I access for the net bank here. Verify payment method. Here, how much you pay the amount? Just enter, make the payment. Then accept for your banking. Now you've done your payment. After adding the payment, you're checking for your campaign. What is that? Campaign here. After adding the payment, we can come to the campaign here. Now come to campaign here. Here, how many types of ads are there? 5. Search, display, search with display. Second and the third one will be shopping and mobile and video here. Now click for campaign here. Search with display, search network, display network, shopping, video, universal app campaign. 3 plus 3 complete for 6. But this is a common one, so they're saying for 5 actually. Search network with the display, search network, display network, and shopping, YouTube video marketing. Next one, universal app campaign. Now I'm going to the search network only. This is about the test ad. Search network only. I'm going to the campaign. I'm selecting for the various method. Now here they're asking for different methods are there. Now what is that? Campaign 2. What is that? Campaign 2. You're writing for RTS HOD. Writing from a campaign will be called RTS HOD. Here standard and all future. Standard and all future. Standard will be called keyword target test ad showing on Google search results. Only for Google search results. All future. All the future and option available for the search network. Google and Google partners. AOA, Ask, Google, like that. I'm searching for standard one. Here, what is that? RTS HOD is my campaign name. Yes or no? Now here, different option. What is that? Mobile app installs, mobile app engagement, dynamic search ads. Next for call only option. These all will be different options in the search network. They're showing for mobile app installation, Swiggy download, food related. These all will be related options. Mobile app engagement, dynamic search as call only. Here, this is the existing campaign, or else we can search for the previous campaign also. This all will be previous campaign. Now only for existing campaign. What is the campaign name? RTS HYD. Now here device will be support for the all mobile devices, tablet, mobiles, all support for the all mobile devices. Here what is that? Search network including search partner. What is search partner? Ask AOA. I'm not like that. Only for Google search network. Only for Google only, not for Ask for something. Why? Because I'm not wasting for my amount. I'm only for looking for only for Google search engine. Now what is that? Your location. Now I'm targeting for the specific location. Hyderabad. How many members are there in Hyderabad? 13 lakhs, sorry, 1 crore 39 lakhs. Yes or no? No. It's done? But suppose I'm adding for Madhapur. Here, how many members are there? Along with pin code number. 5 lakhs 81 will be Madhapur pin code number. How many members? 7 lakhs 91. It's done? Now, here. So much, 5 lakhs 82. How many members are there? 7 lakhs 99,000. Last I'm adding for Amir page. 5 lakh 16. How many members? 7 lakh 50,000 in a Google Ads search members. Now, how many? 7 lakhs, 7 lakhs 99, 7 lakh 91, 13, 1 crore, 39 lakhs. This all will be into the search years. Now, this will be our languages. Which language you are comfortable for the publish your ad? English, Malayalam, Tamil, something like Urdu, all here. But it's not accept for Telugu. It's not accept for Telugu. Sometimes asking for question, you're not asking for Telugu. Only for English, Urdu, something like that. See here, what does accept from here? Hindi. Yes. Now, which is one? For searching for Malayalam. Malayalam also not there. Malaya. Malayalam, I think. So see this. Swedish. So Russian. Simple. But I'm using for only for English. But suppose you're searching for all language, they support for all language. You're wasting from your amount. Why? Because you focus on only for Hyderabad. Support from English, not from another. Now, yeah, what is that? Manual CPC. What is the manual CPC called? Cost per click budget. Here, various are there. Target search, page location, target CPA, cost per action and acquisition. This is a ratio of target action of the search engines. But we are not using for this one. This is complete from the ratio analysis. So based on the search will be showing from here. The target out tracking shades, maximum clicks. But here using for only for manual CPC. Based on the keyword, we target from a particular budget. Each and every keyword we target for the particular budget. Per keyword, the budget will be called 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 50 rupees. I'm budgeting for the fixed for manual bill. Automatic will be called based on keyword, there is fixed for your budget. But manual will be called we can suggest from your budget. For suppose this keyword will budget only for 5 rupees. You are fixed. You manually fix from your 5 rupees for your particular keyword, manual CPC. See here, this all will be different options. Extend my ads with the location information. Extend my ads with the link to selection of my site. The different options. Which is you have to show into your ad. Along with information, along with the site, along with the description, along with the images or prices. My ads with the additional description text. You have to add with the additional description. Why? Because they accept only for 300 characters. I need more 300 characters. How will I accept those one? This is the one. This is a call, site link. This is Stepness Steamnet. Steamnet is the image along with the price. Same like this. Just go to here. Steamnet was the image along with the price. Apple along with this price. This all will be sponsored ads. This is just neatness. We have to optimize coding to our website along with images they're showing for our prices. This is called shopping network. Go into the e-commerce portal, we can create it for the shopping networks. Now, this is all option, but we are okay for with the extend my ads with the location information. Now click for save and continue. First I'm selecting the campaign name, add with the budget information. Here, very important, I forget here, default budget. Default bidding price will be called 5 rupees. Per day budget will be called 500. Default budget will be manual budget. What is the budget for keyword? 5 rupees. Here. For suppose I give the 15 rupees. Every keyword manual price will be called 15 rupees. Not for more than. Suppose the keyword eligible for 50 rupees is okay. Or they mention from the not eligible. They mention for not eligible. Now save and continue. Now once repeat here. First I'm targeting for the campaign name and standard for my categories. Here my existing campaign only for Google search network. Here separate for the all mobile devices. Next I'm adding for the locations, eligible locations. Who are searching for the eligible locations only. See here only for language selection. Next one is a budget of your based on the keyword only for CPC, cost per click. When you click the link, charge will be accepted. The manual CPC will be called how much? 15 rupees per click. How much will be charged? 15 rupees. Now per day budget will be called 500. Now there will be extra option for this here. Now click for save and continue. First I am creating for campaign. After I am creating for ad groups. Ad group nothing but multiple keyword of heading. So what is that? Your ad group. What is the ad group will be called? So what are you asking for? Enter your landing page. Now landing page will be based on the promotion. Your landing page will be important. Here I'm promoting for the my SEO company information. My SEO company information or customer company information. Now go to services here. Click for system marketing. Here what is that? Main focus will be system marketing is matching and in this content also matching. Yes or no? The relevant matching or not? Yes. Now copy this URL. This is our landing page. Now what is the ad group will be called? Digital marketing. Digital marketing, SEO, digital marketing, the all will be ad groups. Remaining your keywords. See this. What is that? Digital marketing company Delhi. I'm not asking anything. Why they're creating for based on our landing page. What is my landing page will be information providing here. Digital consult services, digital company no. Based on landing page, automatically taking for your keywords. Yes or no? See, these all will be your keywords. Here. Agencies. These all will be groups. Okay, all will be what is the keywords. Not. See, agencies, how many agencies are there? These all will be keywords. See, what is that? New ad group. We are adding for another ad group also. Just close here. Now, come to here, keywords, company. So done. First time I need the landing page. After the group, what the bidding price will be called? 15 rupees. Each keyword, what is the bidding price will be called? 50 rupees only. Now, How many keywords I'm adding? One group adding for 5 keywords. Now, what is that? Continue with ads. See this. Tips. Start with 10 to 20 keywords per ad group. How many? 10 to 20. How many I'm adding from here? 5. So minimum how many needed? 10. Now how many done? 10 will be done. Now simple logic adding for one more. Top SEO companies in. Now done. Per group, how many added keyword will be? Minimum 10 to 20. Now click for continue to ads. So what is that? Final URL. What is that? A landing page is a final URL. Now what is the final URL will be called? Like this. It will be called. What is that? Heading will be. So how many characters support here? 30 will be. December company. Hyderabad. Or else we can promote from like this. Is that? I give a small information. I don't have right now the information here. So here, how many characters are writing for? 80. 80 will be 30. 30 will be 80. So landing page will be, I'm ready for final URL. What is the final URL will be called? Destination URL. Final URL call is the destination URL. Previous one, landing page URL. Where you're landing from your particular keywords. This is a destination, is the final URL. Now I'm writing for headline and your headline 2 also. Now your description here. Okay. Now display like this. Customer company, marketing solution, best customer services provider company in Hyderabad, India. Now, what is that? Create ad. So here, see this ad will be like this. Now, here review for campaign. Now save and finish. Review for campaign for the review purpose, but I'm not adding for any amount. Yes or no? Just I'm showing for the payment method. Now what is that? Save and finish. Suppose if you're getting any issues on your ad, they're showing for error. Suppose alphabet, some special characters, any issues on your website, in the campaign, they're showing for error. See this is enabled. Yes or no? Now here is my ad group. What is the ad group? Digital marketing. So here, very important thing is we discussed yesterday for the tutorial. What is that? Brand match, exact match, phrase match. When you are putting for ad, we can't discuss anywhere. Yes or no? What is that? Exact, brand match, and phrase match. We can't discuss anywhere. Where we can match from your exact match and brand match and phrase match? It is a keyword. But where is that? Where the option is? So your entire from keyword. We can't match from your matches. What is that? Brand match, exact match, phrase match. That is called. Just go to the groups. You're writing for how many keywords you're writing here? So here, what is saying here? Here, what is that? Eligible. Yes or no? Was saying for below first paid bid is not accept for the bid price. Now go to here. What is the bidding price here? Select. Now eligible was saying for low search value. Was saying for low search value. So your house not required for that keyword. Why? Because the low search value not required. Your ad will be waste here. Low search volume, low search volume, low search volume. So your bidding price is not accepted for 15 rupees. Now click here. What the bidding price will be? 43 rupees. Now select. Now is eligible. SEO company Hyderabad will be bidding price will be called 43 rupees. Now remaining will be. Is also not accepted. Top SEO companies Hyderabad. What is the bidding price will be called? 37 rupees. On the first page of the search area, how much the charge will be called? 37. Manual will be accepted when they showing for dynamically, but they showing for first page. Showing for first page. What is the bidding price will be called? 37 rupees. Now is the eligible. Remaining will be called low search value. What the price will be? 14 rupees. See here. Okay, fine. We are selecting for the price for the your particular keyword. Where you are matching for the exact phrase and brand match. Now, say here, just select the keyword. Yes, I understand. Here, brand match, exact match, phrase match. It will be called exact match. Which is a more bidding price will be there, that will be called exact match. Now, let's understand. Click for exact match. Why? Because bidding price will be more than the 29 rupees. Here, is also 43 rupees. Select here. Understand. It will be also exact match. When keyword will be matching on your search engine, that's showing for the my website. Or else we can't show for the my website here. Here, this all will be called your matches. Now every keyword. Now understand. Exact match save. Every keyword will be called only for exact match. Just select the keyword and there's say for understanding. Now just select the keyword here as understand. Before you are editing your keyword as understanding. It's clear? Each and every keyword we select the particular matches. What is that? Brand match. Brand match is nothing but the based on the what phrases will be matching. What will be matching? They're showing for an ad. Phrase match will be continued word will be. Phrase will be match. They're matching for continued word. Before and after you can add anything, but phrase will be matched from your continued word. This is our company in Hyderabad. Exam which will be called front and back. We don't write it for any kind of the words. They will be called exact match. They're showing for the exact keyword. Now you are typing here. Now suppose you have stopped the one keyword. This is just click for pause. If you pause all keywords, select here. This is pause. Individual keyword we can pause. Along with all keywords that you can pause also here. Entire keyword also. Individual and entire keyword also you can do the pause. And we can remove the keywords also. Add the another keyword. We can add the keyword by the dynamic also. Add the keyword for the dynamic also. This is purely for this one. This you are putting for ad. See here what the ad will be called here. Campaign will be checking here. The ad will be called RTS HYD. First I'm creating for campaign. Now how many group will be called? One group. Or suppose I'm stop this group, entire group. Automatic group will be closed. Keywords also entire will be pause. So nobody can reach your audience. Now campaign also enabled. Now click for pause. The complete for the campaign will be pause. When adding the amount, we can't debit on your account. They will be when you accept your campaign, to start your amount will be deducted. So clear. First I'm creating for campaign. So select I'm selecting for the ad group. In ad group, selecting for your keywords. Selecting for the landing page. Description will be 30 characters. Second description will be 30 characters. Sorry, title will be 30 characters. Second will be 30 characters. Description will be 80 characters. If you exceed your character, you can select from the options on your ad group. This is purely for search network from the AdWords. So you're adding the payment will be called in your setting option. So here sign up will be called, your dollars will be accept only for credit and card only. For your Indian transaction, they accept for credit and debit will be net banking. Minimum adding amount will be called 1000. Default budget will be per day will be called 500. Default bidding price will be called based on the up to 5 rupees to 20 rupees is a default budget for the one bidding price per keyword. This is purely for search network from your website.